And what I do next after cleansing my face, I use an eye cream. So what I do, I make 2 dots, 1, 2, for each eye. Then I use a mirror and I take a dot and I just hydrate my eyes with a cream. Just like so. Now I use the serum. Videos that I make is just for you to get to know me even deeper, even better than before. As you can see, I open up my life story about every single day that I do. And what do? I do here for you in my videos. This is a different serum that I use, which is slightly a bit more oilier. I love this product. I can't wake up and do my day without these creams, and I can't go to bed without applying creams. It's like it's a part of my secret beauty regimen. Then what I do, I use a cream. So it's a hydrating cream and it's got SPF protection. Apply it on my neck. It's always good to do slight massage on your face because it relaxes the skin so much so, and it makes the blood circulate better in your face, and you feel more awake in the morning when you do this massage, and it's very relaxed in the evening when you do this massage. And I also apply cream for my décolletage, but I forgot to take it from my bedroom. But this is another video. On another video I'm going to show it. So thank you very much for watching. Love you lots, and please subscribe. subscribe. Love you.